Hello everyone, welcome to today's maths class. My name is Miss Ifai Joseph, and in today's maths class, we're going to be looking at division of numbers. We're going to be looking at the topic titled Division of Numbers. Now, what is division? Division means sharing or grouping equally. Division means sharing or grouping equally. And if you look at your screen, you will see the symbol of division on your screen. You can either use the dot, dash, dot, or you use the slash symbol. Those are your symbols of division. Now we have what we call parts of division. Parts of a division where we have our dividend, divisor, quotient, and many more. We have what we call parts of a division, which are our dividend. Dividend is the number being divided. Dividend is the number being divided. Your divisor is the number you are dividing by. Your quotient is your answer. Then you have your leftover and then your remainder. That's what we call part of a division. Remember your dividend, the number being divided, your divisor, the number you are dividing by, and your quotient, which is your what? Answer. Just like you can see represented on the screen here, you have your divisor 5, dividend 75, and then 15, which is your what? Quotient or your answer. So when you are doing 75 divided by 5, this is how you solve it. There are some steps listed on your screen. First of all, start with 7. 7 divided by 5 will give you 1. You put it up. Then you do the next step, which is multiply. 5 times 1 will give you 5. Then you do the next, which is subtract. So you now do 7 minus 5, which will give you 2. And then you bring that, because this 5 beside 7 here, we have not worked on it. So you bring it down. When you bring it down to where the 2 is, it makes it to become 25. Then you do 25 divided by 5, which will give you 5. 5 times 5, 25, and then you subtract, and then you have 0. Can you see how easy that was? After dividing, you can always check your answers by multiplying the divisor and your quotient together. Your answer should be equal to the dividend, just like what we did. Our quotient from our previous calculation was 15, so we multiply it by our divisor 5, and we can see we got 75, which is the dividend. So that means we are correct. So I have some practice questions we are going to be seeing in the next slides. So please solve the questions and leave your answers in the comment section. Number 1 is 123 divided by 3. 123 divided by 3. Number 2 is 945 divided by 9. 945 divided by 9. Number 3 is 471 divided by 3. 471 divided by 3. So, if you've gotten to this part of the video, please pause and solve those questions you saw, and then check back now to see if you are correct. So the answer to the first question is 41, the second question is 105, the third question is 157. So how many did you get correct? If you get everything, good job. And if you didn't get everything, don't worry. They are just little mistakes and you can walk past it. Thank you for listening to today's mathematics class. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.